Anthony, I could attest that I would not be still in business without him.
So here, this goes on you in case it goes away from you. Hey everybody, I've got an awesome opportunity to share with you. This is Evan. He's one of my first coaching clients, and I kind of wanted to get his feedback to share with you his experience with the coaching program. What would you say to somebody watching this video that is interested and on the fence about engaging with the coaching program through Asphalt Kingdom?
So, everything that I've experienced, when I started, I was all alone. And the main thing is you don't have anybody as an asphalt maintenance contractor to just reach out to and piggyback off of. Having Anthony around, I found myself, I wasn't as mentally struggling with all of these challenges. You're gonna face a lot of adversity, and putting that on yourself it taxes you mentally. And Anthony, I could attest that I would not be still in business without him. Any problems you have, just having somebody to come through and to ask those questions, those tough questions that maybe you can't ask another business owner because maybe you're in competition or whatever. But having somebody that's in your corner no matter what and just is there for you, it's the value is immeasurable.
Well, I appreciate you sharing that with them. And the thing I'll say about the relationship and the connection between Evan is he came in as a really strong business owner. I think he had some really great fundamentals, and the core values that he owns and he has harnessed in his business are amazing. I continued to be impressed. I was impressed with him the entire time through our coaching engagement. Now working with him and meeting him in person, I continued to be impressed. But the growth and the momentum and the genesis that I've seen in him as a business owner has been awesome to witness. So it's a two-sided relationship that we get to express. So I just want to share with you my pride, and it's going to be amazing to continue to see you grow and the evolution you have in this business. So you heard it from Evan. It's a program that's worth engaging. It's an investment. There's no cost to this program. You're investing in yourself, and although the work remains to be on your shoulders, we're here to help you through those growth hurdles that you're going to experience. So reach out if there's anything we can do to help you. Reach out to an AK coach, and we'd love to line up an acceleration call.